guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a recreation. I got inspired by this beautiful look here from a girl on Instagram. Her Instagram is cakefacerj, and I got really inspired by it. So we're going to recreate this look. I'm going to be using my own colors. Hers is more so of reddish tones. Mine's is more so mauve brownish colors. So first I'm going to start here with the p.loiuse base. Mine's in the shade 1, and I'm patting it on first with a brush, and then I'm going to go ahead and pat it with a sponge. That way I can just ensure there's no patchiness or anything like that. It just kind of gives it more of a clean, even blend, if you say, and then obviously it pats it more into the skin. So I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and all the brushes that I'm using are pretty much Morphe brushes. So the first shade, I'll put the names of the shades down below in the description section because, yeah, I don't remember all of them. So I'm doing the shade in my crease first, and I am just packing it on first. I'm not going straight into a blend. I'm just packing it on, and then I'm gonna take the shade that I'm using as my transition shade, which is more of a orangey color, kind of like a neutral autumn orangey shade in the palette, and I'm using that as a transition shade and also to blend out those edges from the shade that I placed in the crease. And I do go back and forth with brushes to make sure pigmentation, is popping. Then I'm going to use that frosty goldish, champagne-ish, not even gold, it's more like a champagne shade. I'm using that on the brow bone just to highlight it. And then I go back in with my blending brush, just to make sure everything is blended together. And as you guys see there, that's that orangey, autumny shade that I was talking about. What else are we going to do? Let's see. Next step is going to be cutting the crease. So, no, matter of fact, okay, no, I went ahead. Okay, so we go in with that dark shade there. I'm going to not cut the crease, per se, but map out the whole crease shape and everything. And then I'm going to go in with more of the p.loiuse base, and I'm going to clean up by cutting the crease. And then I go in with the purple shades from the palette, along with that champagne goldish shade as well. And as you'll see, everything's going to be blended all together. Alright, you guys, so I did liner. Liner was it was really hard because I was using a cream, kind of like a cream paint. I usually use it for like special effects and stuff. And yeah, it didn't want to be a pure white. I had to keep going over layers, over layers, over layers. And yeah, it was a lot. So we're just gonna do base. My base has not changed. I'm still using same old products that I use all the time, same techniques and all that. So I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy that, and then you guys will see a little bit of how I do the lips. Not too much, like the whole lining part. I had to do it off camera because it was just so freaking hard to do just to get clean lines. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you love these, creative type looks, whether it's colorful or, a lot of graphic liner, anything, just let me know down below in the comment section. That way I can continue to do these looks for you guys. And also, I wanted to incorporate a little bit of lifestyle videos on my channel. I am a single mom, and I am 26, and I'm pretty much raising a 3-year-old boy on my own. So I wanted to kind of do like informative videos for those other single moms out there that are doing the same thing. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys would be interested in those type of videos. I know it's a lot more personal, and some people do like them, some people don't. So just let me know down in the comment section. And as always, if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I can't stress that enough. Hit that subscribe button. Follow me on all of my other social media platforms. I will leave everything down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye.